Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Phantom wallet failed to authenticate. Now there are a lot of people that are facing these types of errors in Phantom wallet. So here I'm going to give you some of the troubleshooting methods that you can use in order to fix this issue. So first of all, you need to check whether your internet connection is good or not, because sometimes when your internet connection is not stable or if it is not connecting properly, you might face these types of problems. So in order to fix this issue with the internet, what you can do is you can simply try this trick. Like if you are using your mobile data, you just have to swipe down the notification bar and tap on this airplane mode. Afterwards, you need to wait for 5 seconds and then tap on the airplane mode again. So what this will do is it will just improve your internet speed, and now you just have to check whether you are facing that error again or not. Now in the second method, what you can do is you can simply try to update your Phantom wallet. So in order to do it, you just have to go in your Google Play Store or App Store and search for the Phantom wallet. Now once you have found Phantom wallet, you need to check whether it is up to date or if it is available with an update. So if you see any update here, you need to simply tap on the update option and you need to download the latest version of the Phantom wallet. Afterwards, you will have to check whether this problem is fixed or not. If the problem still persists, the third method that you can use in order to fix this error is you can simply just long press on the Phantom wallet icon and you need to go in your app info. In the app info, you will see the storage option. So tap on storage and here you will see the option of clear data. So tap on clear data, then tap on clear all data and press OK. So once you tap on clear all data, what this will do is it will log you out from your Phantom wallet. So you need to make sure that before doing it or before clearing the data, you first try to clear the cache and check if the problem is fixed or not. But if you see that the problem is still there even after updating the app and even after trying all of these steps, and once you clear all the data, you will have to just re-log in your account. So before doing this final step or before coming to this final step, make sure that you just have your secret recovery phrase, because without your secret recovery phrase you won't be able to log in into your account. So make sure that you have your secret recovery phrase before actually clearing all the data. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching this video.